Hi, my name is Mackenzie Nelson. I'm a bartender at Lucky Cat, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a coffee bourbon smash. So to start, we're going to take about 6 mint leaves. If you have some growing in your garden, bonus, you don't have to make a grocery store run. It's also equally delicious if you don't have any mint, so it's not necessary. You're just going to put 6 leaves into one of your shaker tins. If you don't have a shaker tin, you can use a coffee mug with a lid to shake all of your ingredients in. Next, we're gonna go over our simple and citrus. So I'm gonna use an ounce of simple syrup, which is a 1-to-1 ratio sugar to water, followed by some lemon juice. You can either use juice that you can buy at the store, or the juice from one whole lemon should be fine. And 1 ounce of lemon juice. Okay. Next, we're going to do 2 ounces of the Riverset rye whiskey. I like the spice notes in this rye. It's going to shine through really well with all of the other ingredients and highlight the coffee. And then we're going to do 3 ounces of Dr. Bean's Isotope cold brew. So. All right. Once all of your ingredients are combined, you're going to add ice to your shaker tin and shake all of the ingredients for about 15 seconds. All right. Take a strainer and strain into your glass. You're going to get a little bit of the foam that's from the coffee. And then all you need to do is add ice. And a mint sprig to garnish. Cheers.